Hi and welcome back to the Lothian Valet YouTube channel. If you haven't been before, my name is David. If you've been before, welcome back. It's just a quick one on this YouTube video. It's just a useful, handy Vikan slimline brush. It's quite good for getting down inside the seats, round about underneath the pedals if it's like in the winter, if you've got cold hands, it's really good. I'm just going to pop up a video there now. So you can see, and we'll come back. Right, yeah, obviously I don't think it was that good recording of the video of me using the brush, but I'm pretty sure you get the adjust off using the brush on the floor, especially it's a hard bristle. It brings out the pores and all the grit and everything else from the carpets. Yeah, so if you like the video, give us a thumb up. And if you don't like the video, if you give me a thumb down, please at least leave a description what we've done wrong, or explain as best as you can how we can improve. So we've got to help the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.